What's up, Nick? Out here, straight to Georgia, a little kayak with Nick. Looking good. Oh. What? Bro.
It's gone.
Was that your favorite water ball? Oh. Got my Vancouver Island Brewing ready whenever I need it. Cheers. Gonna park up here and find a hammock spot. Yeah, check this out. Aerosmith's looking nice. How's Aerosmith looking?
Frosty.
Frosty. So cool. Shall we explore?
Shall. The man, the legend.
What's this? Someone's camping here. Stunning. Nice footwear choice. A wild goose.
I'd say looks like a goose.
Stunning. Oh, oh. Geese everywhere. I'm getting nervous. Getting up there. Look at this stud. Yeah, just look out. Nice camp spot, eh? Gonna keep going down there, around the island. Let's go. These beautiful spring flowers. Even Nick is tearing up. What? No! I just set the drone up and got a crazy shot of the eagles. Just flew by as he was landing on the tree. Stoked! What's that?
It's a real babe.
We found the other side.
It rocks.